Welcome to our comprehensive step-by-step guide on developing leadership skills. In today's video, we'll explore the strategies and techniques that can help you become an effective and inspiring leader. Step 1. Understanding leadership. Leadership is a multifaceted concept encompassing various traits and behaviors that enable individuals to guide, inspire, and influence others towards a common goal. At its core, leadership involves more than just holding a position of authority. It's about fostering collaboration, driving change, and empowering those around you to reach their full potential. Leadership styles can vary widely, ranging from charismatic and visionary to collaborative. Each style brings its unique strengths and challenges, and understanding your natural inclinations can help you leverage your leadership potential more effectively. Moreover, effective leaders exhibit qualities such as integrity, empathy, resilience, and adaptability. They lead by example, demonstrating a commitment to ethical principles and a willingness to listen to diverse perspectives. Understanding leadership also entails recognizing the importance of continuous learning and development. Leadership is not a static trait, but rather a skill that can be cultivated and refined over time through practice, feedback, and reflection. By gaining a deeper understanding of leadership, you can enhance your ability to inspire others, drive positive change, and create a culture of excellence within your team or organization. Leadership is not just about achieving individual success, but about empowering others to succeed collectively, making a lasting impact on the world around you. Step 2. Identifying your leadership style. Identifying your leadership style is crucial for effective leadership development. Your leadership style reflects your unique approach to guiding and influencing others, shaping how you interact with your team and navigate various challenges. One common framework for understanding leadership styles is the situational leadership model, which emphasizes adapting your leadership approach based on the needs of your team and the specific situation. This model recognizes that different situations may require different leadership styles, such as directive, coaching, supportive, or delegating. Another approach to identifying your leadership style is through self-assessment tools and feedback from peers, mentors, and supervisors. These assessments can provide valuable insights into your strengths, weaknesses, and preferred leadership behaviors. Moreover, reflecting on your past experiences and observing leaders you admire can help you identify patterns in your leadership approach and clarify your leadership values and priorities. It's essential to recognize that there is no one-size-fits-all approach to leadership, and effective leaders often draw upon a combination of styles depending on the context. By understanding your leadership style, you can leverage your strengths, address areas for growth, and develop a more authentic and impactful leadership presence. Ultimately, identifying your leadership style is an ongoing process that requires self-awareness, introspection, and a commitment to continuous learning and growth. Embracing your unique leadership style can empower you to lead with confidence, inspire others, and drive meaningful change in your organization and beyond. Step 3. Cultivating emotional intelligence. Cultivating emotional intelligence is paramount for effective leadership. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, encompasses the ability to recognize, understand, and manage your own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. Developing EQ enhances your capacity to navigate complex interpersonal dynamics, build strong relationships, and inspire trust and collaboration within your team. Start by increasing your self-awareness, which involves recognizing your emotions, understanding their impact on your thoughts and behaviors, and identifying your triggers and patterns. This self-awareness serves as the foundation for developing other components of emotional intelligence. Next, focus on improving your self-regulation skills, which entail managing your emotions in constructive ways, even in challenging situations. Practice techniques such as deep breathing, mindfulness, and reframing negative thoughts to regulate your emotions effectively. Additionally, work on enhancing your social awareness by tuning into the emotions and perspectives of those around you. Practice active listening, empathy, and nonverbal communication to better understand the feelings and needs of your team members. Furthermore, develop your relationship management skills by fostering open communication, resolving conflicts diplomatically, and providing constructive feedback. Building strong connections based on trust and mutual respect is essential for effective leadership. By cultivating emotional intelligence, you can become a more empathetic, resilient, and inspiring leader. Embracing these skills enables you to lead with authenticity, connect with your team on a deeper level, and navigate the complexities of leadership with grace and confidence. Step 4. Communicating effectively. Effective communication lies at the heart of successful leadership. It's the cornerstone upon which trust, collaboration, and shared vision are built. To hone your communication skills as a leader, start by prioritizing clarity and transparency in your messages. Ensure that your communication is concise, relevant, and tailored to your audience. Whether addressing your team, stakeholders, or peers, articulate your ideas with precision and purpose, avoiding jargon or ambiguity that can lead to misunderstandings. Moreover, embrace active listening as a fundamental aspect of effective communication. Actively engage with your audience, demonstrating genuine interest and empathy, and validating their perspectives. By listening attentively, you foster an environment of trust and openness where everyone feels valued and understood. Additionally, leverage various communication channels to reach diverse audiences and convey your message effectively. Whether through face-to-face meetings, emails, or virtual platforms, adapt your communication style to suit the context and preferences of your recipients. Furthermore, be mindful of nonverbal cues, such as body language and tone of voice, which can significantly impact how your message is received. Project confidence, warmth, and authenticity through your nonverbal communication to enhance rapport and connection with your audience. Lastly, solicit feedback regularly and be receptive to constructive criticism to continually refine your communication skills. Reflect on past interactions, identify areas for improvement, and commit to ongoing learning and growth as a communicator and leader. By mastering the art of effective communication, you can inspire, motivate, and align your team towards shared goals, fostering a culture of collaboration and excellence within your organization. Step 5. Developing decision-making skills. Effective leadership often hinges on the ability to make timely and informed decisions. Developing strong decision-making skills is crucial for navigating complex challenges, seizing opportunities, and guiding your team towards success. Start by embracing a systematic approach to decision-making, grounded in critical thinking and analysis. Begin by clarifying the objectives and criteria that will guide your decision-making process. Define the desired outcomes and identify key factors to consider, weighing the potential risks and benefits associated with each option. Next, gather relevant information and data to inform your decision-making process. Conduct thorough research, seek input from subject matter experts, and evaluate alternative courses of action to gain a comprehensive understanding of the situation. Once you've gathered sufficient information, analyze the data carefully, considering both qualitative and quantitative factors. Assess the potential outcomes and implications of each decision, anticipating any potential challenges or obstacles that may arise. Moreover, cultivate resilience and adaptability in your decision-making approach, recognizing that uncertainty and ambiguity are inherent in leadership. Be prepared to pivot and adjust your course of action as new information emerges or circumstances evolve. Furthermore, foster collaboration and inclusivity in your decision-making process, soliciting input from diverse perspectives and involving relevant stakeholders in the discussion. By engaging your team in the decision-making process, you not only harness collective wisdom but also promote buy-in and ownership of the outcomes. Finally, reflect on your decisions regularly, evaluating their effectiveness and learning from both successes and failures. Identify patterns, refine your decision-making strategies, and continuously strive to improve and grow as a leader. By honing your decision-making skills, you can navigate uncertainty with confidence, inspire trust and confidence in your team, and drive sustainable growth and success within your organization. Conclusion: developing leadership skills is a journey that requires dedication, self-awareness, and continuous learning. By understanding the principles of leadership, identifying your strengths and weaknesses, and practicing key skills such as emotional intelligence, communication, and decision-making, you can become a more effective and inspiring leader. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel for further insights on personal growth and leadership development. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and always remember, you hold the key to unlocking your leadership potential. Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips from us and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.